Hello everyone, welcome to Abhijeet Codes. So in this video, we're going to see how to traverse a linked list. So generally, we have given the head of a linked list, and now we'll learn how we are going to traverse it. Okay, so how can we traverse it? We know one thing that the last node of a linked list has its next pointer pointing to null. Okay, so we are going to make use of this fact only that the next of a linked list last node is always null. So what we'll do is we will make a pointer and name it current. Okay, so we'll make a pointer current and we will make current equals head. So current equals head. Then what we'll do, we will move this current. Okay, so first current will be here, and in the next step we'll current move to here. So the current will be heads next, or you can say currents next. And then in the next step current will move here, then current will move here, then the current will move here, then current will move here. And when the current now moves, tries to move, it cannot be moved because now the current's next is a null. Okay, so how can we write a code for this? So let's suppose we write while will keep on moving while current doesn't becomes equal to null. So while current not equals null, we will keep on moving. So how we'll move? We'll do current equals current next. So we know that in a linked list we have data and next, two variables. Next points to the reference or pointer of the next node. So the current arrow next will give us, and in Java we'll do current dot next. So this will give us the address of next node. So now the current will move from head to this node, and again it will see if the current is null or not. So of course it's not null. So now the current will move from here to here. It will start pointing this, and then again in the next step it will pointing this, the next step here, and in the last step here. Then again the next current will point to null. Okay, so finally it will point to null because this 60 is next is null. So now the loop will see that yes, now the currents have become null, so it will get out of the loop. Okay, and if you want to print out the value, we can print the current's value. So we can print current value here. So let's see a problem where we can use this approach. So it's a problem given on HackerRank, and I will be providing the link for this problem in the description. It is print the elements of a linked list. So what we need to do is we need to print all the elements of a linked list. So from now on, the Java code will be displayed on the left side of the screen, and I will be writing only C++ code because both codes are very similar. There is only the difference of dot and arrow. Okay. So what we need to do? We need to make a separate linked list pointer. So we'll create a pointer and name it current. So current will become head. So at the beginning, the current is pointing at head. Then what we'll do? We will run a loop while current not equals null. Okay. Then what we'll do? We will do cout the value at current. So what is the value of current? It will be current arrow data, and you need to print each node on a separate line. So we will change the line. Then we need to move the current also. So we'll do current equals current arrow next. So now the current has moved to next node, and it will keep on moving until the current becomes null. Okay, so this will be singly linked list node. So now let's try to run it. So sample test cases are passing, and when we submit it, we'll see that all the test cases are passing. So what will be the time complexity of this traversing the whole linked list? So this will be nothing but big of n, because we are traversing each and every node. So this is how we traverse a singly linked list. Okay. So thank you and see you in the next video.